guys, welcome to Shay and Isaiah. I'm Shay.
And I'm Isaiah.
Before we get into the video, we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then please make sure you subscribe our channel, give us a thumbs up,
and leave comments below.
Yeah, what's video you guys want to watch next. So what's today about?
So today's video is KFC.
Yeah, KFC. Oh. So when we look up the KFC menu, we just saw that KFC lately they have two crispy types, the original one, extra crispy, and then the grill, the Kentucky grill. So we bought 3 different type of chicken from them, and then we're gonna test which one is the best. So far we like. So this one, the first one is, this is an original, this is an original chicken, the crispy chicken.
And this one is the grilled chicken.
Yep. And the last one is the crispy, I believe. It's extra crispy. Yep. They all look really crunchy. They're extra crispy. But they have cookies too. So these are all the combo set that we ordered. So they have cookies, and then the sides. We got the 3 different sides. So we got the fries. This is, can you show the fry, please? And this is a macaroni and cheese.
We got the fries.
Yep. And then this one is their mashed potato. I don't like the gravy, so I have no gravy. Yep. Which one you want to start trying?
You want to start from the side and go across?
Yeah, we can.
From grilled to crispy.
The grilled, the crispy, and extra crispy. Okay, let me change these two. This is original, and this is extra crispy. Okay. This is thigh, and you get their breast. Which sauce do you want?
So I'm going to go with the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a Texas spicy sauce. It smells very good. The grilled ones smell really good.
It's good.
It is good. I like the grill. It's juicy too.
It is juicy.
This is our new cat. Is Bruni. He is the youngest of our cat Boomy.
The grilled one was good.
Yeah. I would say 10 out of 10 for sure, because I really like the grilled.
And sometimes the grilled chicken is dry.
Hmm?
Sometimes the grilled chicken is dry.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the next one.
We're gonna have our original crispy.
Yes. Is it the crispy or the extra crispy?
This is the original crispy.
And would you like one of the French fries?
Yes, please. I know that the KFC have fries in a different shape before. Yeah. Everyone enjoying this.
Yeah, Boom will be here.
Okay, try.
So without the Chick-fil-A sauce.
So what I first noticed is the original crispy is a little soft crispy, not actually crispy. It's just a soft one.
But it is good.
Mm-hmm.
It is the KFC
I can get the taste of the pepper,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Just block my view. Oh, how do you rate this one?
I rate this one a 10 out of 10.
Okay. For me, I would say 8 because I like the grill better than this one. So I will stick with 8. But it's good.
Mm-hmm.
I think because I need to tell that anyway. Okay, the last we're gonna try the
Extra crispy.
extra crispy.
And I think Rooney wants to try some too.
Mm-hmm.
So this one does look quite
It says
crispier
serve
than the
crispy
last one.
bread outside than the original one.
Mhm.
Okay. This one less pepper.
Yeah, you don't taste the pepper as
Mhm.
much. Which I don't know. I really like the pepper taste on the outside.
Oh, really? Me. I just don't like the pepper that much. So I will rate this one for 9, 9.5. How about you?
I say this one is about an 8.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just because it tastes more like regular fried chicken and not something special.
Yeah. The other one is more like special. There's like a definitely pepper taste. You can taste the signature of the
Okay,
KFC. And the green one too.
yeah, the grilled one as well.
Mhm.
And you can see the pepper on the outside. You can't really see the pepper on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, now it is time to try the
Sides.
sides. So we've already tried the French fries,
Mhm.
which are good. They're, I don't know, they're a little soggy.
Yeah.
But we
Yeah.
also ordered it through the app and not fresh.
I mean, we just picked up.
Yeah, we picked it up.
Okay, this is a mashed potato. Pretty simple. Because, like I told you, I don't like the gravy, so I like it plain mashed potato.
And then we have the
Macaroni
macaroni
and
and cheese here.
The mashed potato is just a regular taste. Just regular. I just don't like it that much.
Yeah. Without the gravy, they're good, but it's quite bland.
Yeah. I'm gonna try mac and cheese. From outside look, I can definitely tell it's very cheesy.
It is very cheesy, and you can taste that it's very cheesy
Really?
as well.
Mm. It's so good.
It is good.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely good. It's better than the mashed potato taste. I mean, of course, this is the cheese better than mashed potato, but we generally just say that mashed potato size and then macaroni size, we would go for macaroni size.
And then we still have biscuit.
Yeah.
Which
Try.
would you want to try the biscuit too?
No, I will let you try it and tell me.
The biscuits are really good.
Can you smell the butter?
Mm.
Okay.
You can taste the butter too.
That's good. That's good.
And it's crunchy. And
I just fall in love with the macaroni and cheese. Okay, so don't forget about the cookies
Yes.
too.
To finish everything up, they
have a dessert.
little cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can open it with greasy hands.
I don't think it's this one. Excuse me, guys. I don't think it's open.
Yeah, so it is a little hard to open with greasy hands.
Yeah. Not bad.
Let's see.
It's open now.
Ah, yes.
Actually, it tastes good.
It is a good cookie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's soft,
And then tasty.
and the chocolate is
You
like
can taste the chocolate.
It's not just like a chunk of chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video that we just give the ratings and some kind of the review of the grilled chicken, original crispy chicken, and the extra crispy chicken. So please let us know which one is your favorite, which one do you like more than the other.
Yeah.
And we will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.